Alright, hey guys, so welcome to the JB's Nature Walk. Real quick guys, I've started a new Patreon page. So by becoming a new member today guys, you can receive new releases of my video before I post it on YouTube, and I include a link below the description of this video. Alright guys, let's get to the video. Hey guys, you can also support me by buying my books, Nature Inspiration and Nature Inspiration Prints. These are inspirational quote books featuring my nature and wild photography, and they're in a link below the description of this video. You can also support me by buying my prints on my website, beautiful nature and wild photography of different subjects, and I've included a link below the description of this video. Let's get to it guys. Hey guys, so welcome to the JB's Nature Walk. Alright, so before I show my face to you guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe guys, and hit the notification bell. And today guys, I'm going to talk about the benefits of nature walks. So this is just a little intro, so just enjoy this nice preview of the nature walk that I'm taking you guys on, and you'll see my face in a few. Alright guys. Hey guys, welcome to the JB's Nature Walk. I'm at a different park today, Plumwell Valley Park. Look at this beauty. So today guys marks the beginning of a new moon in Virgo. So it's the 15th of September. So it's a new moon starts, but the actual day of Virgo will start on Sunday. So I think that's on the 17th, I believe. And so the new subject that we'll be discussing with you guys is the benefits of nature walks. So that's going to be dealing with, the sign of Virgo deals with the element of earth. So we're going to be immersing ourselves in the earth element. Let's look at this beauty guys. The Plumwell Valley Park is beautiful. Whew. People around already. This place is It's beautiful, but it's also crowded. This park belongs to the red-tailed hawk. You might see him as well. Alright. I'm about to get into some shade. So the benefits of nature walks. So I'll talk to you about the misconceptions and problems associated with nature walks that people might have about the activity. And I will talk about, oh, I saw something. So the problem misconceptions. I'll also be discussing what are some tools you can use to get started, then the benefits, and then I'll share my experience. So I'll try to remember all that. All right, so I'm gonna kind of talk and walk at the same time if that's possible. I'm gonna take little breaks and, if I need to. So misconceptions and problems associated with bird watching. For one thing, a lot of people don't know much about nature walks. A lot of people don't know much about nature walks. They know a lot about hiking, but nature walks is more, in my opinion, you're slowing down, being present. Hiking is more like a workout, in my opinion. I'm just speaking from my experience. And I love hiking too, but lately I've been doing more nature walks, so that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. Ooh, look at a little bench here. Sit here briefly, then we'll get back up. That's a nice trail view. Yep. We can talk and walk and take breaks. Whew. All right, so makes a lot of people don't know much about it. A lot of people aren't really being present and, just slowing down, observing the environment, learning from the environment, learning from the animals and nature. So that's what, for me, that's what nature walks is. So you're basically slowing down, just observing, just appreciating what's around you. So that's basically the misconception and problem associated with it. And a lot of people just haven't been exposed to it, just haven't been interested in doing it. So I'm showing you guys that you can do this too, no matter what time of year it is, fall, winter, as we approach fall. The fall equinox starts on September 23rd, so we have a few days until that happens. Basically next week, almost in a couple of weeks, basically, that's when the fall equinox starts. So yeah, so that's the misconception of the problem associated with bird watching. A lot of people, not bird watching, I keep saying bird watching. Nature walkers, a lot of people just haven't been exposed to it and they just don't know much about it. They just aren't familiar with hiking. All right, so the next thing is tools you can use to get started. Don't really need any tools. I mean, I do nature on photography, so I have a lot of tools, but if you don't do the photography aspect, you can bring your phone, that's a good tool. Hiking shoes. Thought I heard something. Probably a woodpecker. Bring some water, light snack. That's a good tool. If you have means of transportation, it's good to have a car. You can drive yourself here like I did. If not, you have Uber, Lyft. Depending on what area you live in the city environment, Uber and Lyft is a good idea. Or public transportation, what have you. Those are good tools you can have. Another good thing you can do, when I say like light snacks, I'm talking about like a fruit, like nuts and stuff like that. You don't want to have like a full stomach when you're coming out here. Just something light that can carry you over for a couple hours however long you want to be out here. I guess we can get back up. So that's what I mean by tools. Now let's get into the benefits. A lot of the benefits of being out on nature walk. It's definitely going to help you be more present. Nature is very grounding, especially depending on what element you're working with. is I'm working with the earth element. I'm going to be working on grounding myself a lot and just recentering myself, being more present. What else? Does it help clear my mind as well. I'm not so much thinking about my issues or problems I got in my life, so it helps me to clear my mind. So that's definitely one of the benefits of going on a nature walk. What else? Let's look at this beauty, guys. I'm gonna be walking a lot, so. But yeah, nature walk is definitely gonna make you more present. It's gonna make you more aware of your surroundings, which is a good thing. Not just, I'll say the people around you, the animals, just nature, the seasons, the changing of seasons as well. You're just gonna know what's going on, what you need to do to prepare for the next transition in your life. Just stuff like that. Just basically grounding yourself. That's what I mean by grounding yourself. You're doing the extra work to prepare yourself when you need to for different phases and transitions in your life. So that's what I mean by nature walks. Is you're gonna be more present since you can see the leaves are falling right now. Fall is coming, so I'm preparing to get my mind ready for that, my energy. So I'll say that is a good benefit, in my opinion. It is being more present of what's going on in your environment, in your region, your area. The next thing I want to talk about is my experience. So I have a lot of experience doing this. I've been doing nature walks since I was a child, a toddler. I was always roaming the woods, just exploring the forest and just doing my thing. So, and what else? I always felt natural just being in the woods, being in the forest, learning about animals, learning about the environment. Self-taught and everything. Even with the bird watching, that looks nice. It's like a creek here. Take a little detour, just temporarily, then go right back on the trail. And show you guys what it looks like. Some people come down here. You see all that, guys? That's the creek. Beautiful, right, guys? So yeah, I have a lot of experience doing this. Been doing this since, like I said, I was a toddler. I'm 31 years now, so I don't think I've been doing it for 31 years, but I would say it's probably been maybe 28 or 27 years or whatever. So I've been doing this for a while. So I have a lot of experience doing this. Every time I come out here to do this, I feel blessed to do it. I'm definitely blessed to come out here and have the means to do it. Saw something. And it's everyone's birthright to be out doing the nature walk, in my opinion. We all came from nature, so we all have, it's always within our means to do this. We can always make it a priority. Because when I didn't even have all the stuff I have, I still made it happen. When I didn't have access to go to the nature parks, I just went in the neighborhood and did my nature walks, and I got amazing pictures. So you can do wherever point you are in your life. So it doesn't matter if you don't have X, Y, and Z, you can still make it happen. You just gotta be creative with it. I'm probably gonna definitely do a blog post on this as well, guys. But I'm just doing this in a video format because I think it's interesting as well to have a video format and blog posts. So I'm just sharing with you the video format, but I will do a blog post on this as well. I'm gonna get some good shots, like scenery shots and all that stuff, you know. And I think that's it. I'm going back on this main trail here. This part is usually crowded, so I've bumped into a few people already. The Cumberland Valley is a good park. If you like hawks, there's foxes, there's coyotes here, there's owls, a whole bunch of stuff out here. This is a birdwatcher's paradise, this park. It's a lot of amazing songbirds you can find out here. So if you're into bird watching, you're gonna meet a lot of bird watchers out here who come out here regularly. Yeah, I guess that is it, guys. I mean, nice little short stroll. What I'm probably gonna be doing is capturing some nice scenic views of this park, of the trails that I'm on. And I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to the JB's Nature Walk. And I'm immersing myself in the season of Virgo, so I'm looking forward to that. I resonate with Virgo a lot, definitely in my natal chart, so I just want to share that with you guys. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Alright, hey guys, so I'm just going to show you some pictures that I've taken with my phone, basically, and I actually got some nice video clips of basically like trail views of my nature walk. I didn't show my face this time, but yeah. So basically like a lot of nature scenery or nature scenic views and all that stuff. So definitely enjoy the beautiful nature scenery that I'm providing you guys, and enjoy the nice nature videos I'm going to share with you on my nature walk. And I will catch you guys later. Enjoy, guys.